Today we're going to write numerical expressions. So if we're given this word phrase, twice the number 5,231, the numerical expression would be 2 times 5,231. The word phrase $7 less than $25 would be written as a numerical expression as $25 minus $7. The word phrase 8 more than 2 times 10 is written 2 times 10 plus 8 as a numerical expression. And the word phrase 26 students divided into 2 teams would be written as 26 divided by 2 as a numerical expression. Now, if I was given a numerical expression 5 plus 9, I could write it as a word phrase 5 plus 9, or I could write it as 5 more than 9. Now, the numerical expression 36 divided by 12 can be written as 36 divided by 12. And our last expression could be written as 8 times the difference of 15 minus 10. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck.